Thank you for taking the time to look at our inventory today. My name is GChavarin. I'll be going over the 2022-24 RBS Catalina. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe so we can keep you informed. Right off the bat, one thing you're going to notice with this particular unit is it's really nice. You're going to have a lot of storage compartments throughout the whole unit. It's a really nice couples coach, but you got a really nice large storage right in the front. As you walk up to the entrance, one of the things that you're going to notice as well is that it has really nice solid steps. Okay, so when you're getting in and out of the coach, you're not going to feel it shaking even if your stabilizers are down. Okay, thing that you also notice is that you have a really nice awning that goes pretty close to the whole length of the coach. So lots of shade and a good area to hang out, out of the sun. So come on in, let's go inside. You're absolutely gonna love this unit. So right when you walk in, the first thing that you're gonna notice is that you have your nice TV set up in here, okay, with the fireplace right underneath with lots of storage compartments. So you can put your Bluetooth, maybe your iPhone or, iPod, USB, whatever you'd like to connect. It's really nicely set up right there. So if you come right back here, a couple things that you will also see is if you have family members that are going to be traveling with you and they need a place to sleep, this will also turn into a bed, and you have a lot of storage right underneath. That's one of the things that Coachmen Catalina, they really emphasize on, is storage. Really important to us. So if you come back here, what you'll see is you got the bathroom right in the back with the really nice sliding doors, lots of height, okay, and just really spacious right in there. So really nice bathroom location right out of the way. Okay, what you'll see is that you have a really nice refrigerator here with a lot of room and a really nice freezer as well. Okay, the unit will also come with the 3-burner cooktop, nice oven, okay, and a really nice microwave, and then also a digital thermometer. So really nicely set up. If you follow me right into the bedroom, as you can see, you got your door, you got your own privacy if you do have people coming over, or if you want to hang out in the living area, or have dinner and things like that. You can have everything out of the way in your bedroom. Lots of storage. Once again, I cannot emphasize how much storage we have in this unit, and you're gonna have a nice slide out, giving you lots of space. So I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to look at this, and if you have any questions, my phone number is 541-810-2202. Thank you.